The Sukhoi Su-34, NATO reporting name, Fullback, is a Russian twin-seat fighter-bomber/attack aircraft, developed from the Su-27. It entered service with the Russian Air Force in 2014. Based on the Sukhoi Su-27 air superiority fighter, the Su-34 has an armored cockpit for 2 side-by-side crew seats. The Su-34 is designed for tactical deployment against ground and sea targets, tactical bombing/strike/interdiction, including against small and moving targets, on single and group missions during day and night, under good and bad weather conditions, and in hostile environments with counterattack.